Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dania Beach local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move occurs when you transport your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more within or outside a state. There are usually a lot of worries when moving belongings over such distances. The primary concern is how long it will take your belongings to get to the new location. Also, the condition of the items when they get to the location. A lot of people also worry about the expensive rates long distance movers charge. At 3 Movers, we deliver a worry and stress free moving service. Our rates are also very reasonable. We have efficient and professional movers. They handle your belongings with care. Our drivers are also very responsible. They follow every highway rule and are cautious when driving. We are the cheapest and best local movers in Dania Beach, FL. Local moves are generally less expensive than long distance moves. Our local moving services, on the other hand, are the cheapest you can find. Ask any local to recommend an efficient and affordable moving company, they will surely refer us. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour. Call us for your local move. We'll work with your budget and timeline and deliver fantastic services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dania Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.